Let's import some models now and test our application. To be able to do so, you will need some 3D models in FBX or OBJ format, which you previously prepared with a 3D scanner or with a 3D modeling tool. The software you used for sure is able to export the models in OBJ format. Just be sure to include the texture when you do. If you can't export or you don't have any model, please make use of the phone cover FBX file or the screwdriver OBJ provided in the materials. Right-click on the Asset folder in the Project tab and select Create Folder. Rename the folder to Models. Create two subfolders called Phone Cover and Screwdriver. Drag and drop the cover.fbx file in the phone cover folder. Do the same for the screwdriver files. For this model, you will need to access the model import settings. And let's see how to change them. Click on the model file and access the Materials tab. Press Extract Materials, select the screwdriver folder, and save. In the Model tab, set the scale factor to 0.001 and click Apply. Select and rename the default matte located in Screwdriver folder into Screwdriver Material. Click the Albedo option in the inspector and select, by double-clicking, the imported texture by typing the texture name in the search bar. If you select the model file again, you will see now that it's correctly textured, and you can see it also in the image below. To be able to visualize the model in our app, the model should be placed in the scene. Drag and drop the model from the Project tab, Model Screwdriver folder, into the Hierarchy tab. You'll see that the model will appear in the center of the coordinate system on top of the target image. Select the Screwdriver game object in the hierarchy by clicking on it once. Rotate and move the model, as shown before, to place it on top of the image target. To allow Vuforia to locate the model on the target position and move it accordingly, the model game object should be placed in the scene as a child of the image target game object. Drag and drop the screwdriver game object in the hierarchy on top of the image target game object. The hierarchy should look like in the image. Now the screwdriver model is nested under the image target and will be properly tracked by Vuforia in space. Now you can print out the target image. Press play, the play button just located above the Scene tab, and show the target to the PC webcam. You should see the screwdriver appearing on top of it and moving accordingly. Press play again if you want to stop the application to run. Now let's see how to build the app for Android. Before building, access the player setting in Unity by clicking on Edit Project Settings. In the pop-up window, access the player, Android, other settings, as in the image. Scroll down and find the option Minimum API Level under Identification Settings. Open the drop-down and select Android 8.0 Oreo API Level 26. Now let's build the app. To build the app, access the File menu and Build Settings. In the pop-up window, press Build. Give your app a name, select a proper location to save it, and press Save. Unity will build your app and save it in the selected location. This might take several minutes. Now we should prepare the Android phone or tablet to be able to install the app. Android does not allow to install apps that are not downloaded from Google Play Store. To do so, you'll need to change some settings in your phone. In older Android version, you will find the options under Android Settings, Security, and Known Sources. By activating this option, you will be able to install the app on your phone. In newer Android versions, above Android 8, you will need to navigate to App, Special App Access, Install Unknown Apps. Select the app you use to explore files in your phone, for instance, Files by Google, tap on it and allow the setting. Connect your phone to PC via USB. In the notification bar, you should see a message like in the image 1. Tap on charging this device via USB for more options. select File Transfer as in Image 2. In your PC File Explorer, you should be able to access the memory of your phone as an external drive. Select and open your internal memory or external memory drive of the phone, drag and drop the application file there, close the windows once the file is saved, disconnect the phone, go to the phone file browser and access the folder where your app was saved. Tap on the app and tap on Install if the phone asks for you for confirmation. Open the application you just installed and allow access to your device camera. Point the phone camera at the target, and now you should be able to see either the screwdriver or the phone cover on top of the target image as shown in the image.